Good morning. I need to set my phone up. Hey guys, it's Ashlyn. I can barely see. So this video is gonna be a vlog. Oh my gosh, I can barely see, but it's like kind of cool at the same time. Anyways, you may have just saw this, and if you want to know what happened, go to my public spam. It will be in the description. I have to keep saying that because if there's any new viewers, you're gonna think I broke my finger, but I didn't break my finger. I look like I have a mustache.
Oui, welcome to Paris.
The laundry is so loud. Today I'm going to be vlogging. As you can kind of already tell, it's the morning. I woke up about like 15 minutes ago. I need to move. This is like kind of bothering me. So I had to use my front camera for the majority of this vlog. I haven't even brushed my hair. Really in the summer I don't brush my hair much because I lost my brush and I think it's at Taylor's, but I'm not really sure. I don't really know how this vlog has started out, but pretty much I'll explain to you what I'm going to be doing, even though you're going to see what I'm going to be doing later in the vlog. But I'm getting my nails taken off very soon. It is currently 8:39 in the morning. Then after that, I have no idea what we're doing. TJ Maxx and like Marshalls and stuff is like around my nail place, so we're probably gonna go there. I am being blinded. I've already filmed 3 minutes and 15 seconds of footage, and I haven't even started the vlog, and I'm super just like jabbering right now. So yeah, let's get started. Didn't stop it. I just realized this is gonna be a problem because I always put my phone in my right hand, but it's really hard because I can't bend this finger. So if I drop my phone, then I will be mad. I'm trying to figure out what to wear. I haven't even looked at the weather though, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. So the weather is gonna be like 85 degrees and it's oh my gosh, I need to do something with my hair. This is really embarrassing. That's no better. I'm debating whether or not to make it look like I tried or just kind of throw shorts and a t-shirt on. This is what I'm gonna wear. This shirt is from... where's this shirt from? I have no idea where. I have a lookbook video up and I wore this shirt and it should say where it's from. I forgot. I'm also wearing these shorts. I just got them. They're from Old Navy. I haven't worn them out yet, but they're really cute because they have these little like scallop things, if that's what you call it. And then these Fake and Stocks from Target. But if you guys have been subscribed since my lookbook video, you know that I wear these all the time, but they're in a different shade. But I got a new shade because the other ones were getting more torn up. So I got a new color and I think that the brownish color is super cute. So, well, I just got this outfit on. On camera, it doesn't look too bad, but in person, oh my gosh, these shorts like look huge with this shirt. It's just gonna be a no. I wish that it looked good, but it just doesn't. I think I'm gonna change out my shirt and then keep the shorts with something else. I don't know. I am not a fan. This is what we're going with. It's just this like cactus shirt from Old Navy. And I like how it goes with the shoes. So I just quickly ran the straightener through my hair just really quickly because I didn't want to run out of time since it is 9 o'clock. So I'm going to have to do this really fast, but I'm first using the Milk Makeup stick.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I get.
And the Blur stick.
It's the voice, the stress of falling out of bed.
I'm going in with a little of the e.l.f. concealer, just a tiny bit.
Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of.
And I'm going to set that with some Laura Mercier. Then just taking the Hoola Light and bronzing my face.
Leave. Cut my hair.
Then my favorite blush, which is the Tarte blush in the shade Party.
Cut hair.
I'm going in with this Eyelure brow pencil, but I'm just using the gel side and just combing through my eyebrows.
But strangely, he feels at home in this. Often I'm upset
I'm curling my lashes and just putting on some Too Faced mascara.
that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of bed.
And last but not least, what I've been holding the whole entire time, the Anastasia in Rizzy highlighter.
Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but
And I'm actually going to put a little bit of that in my inner corners also.
I swear.
Okay, I'm now done with my makeup. I really like how it turned out. It's just a nice, natural makeup look. Perfect for the summertime and just going out wherever. So, great everyday makeup tutorial. Now we're going to leave to go get my nails off because we don't want to have another incident happening like this from softball. We're going in Ulta now, but they were wanting me to like soak my nails in acetone, and so they, I think, yeah, it got on like half of this, so we're gonna have to buy a new one of the metal thingies, but we're going to Ulta now, so it's all good. I didn't end up getting anything. It's so bright. I didn't get anything from Ulta, but we're going to TJ Maxx now, so. Yet again, nothing really that great. Yeah, so didn't get anything there either. There really wasn't anything good. We're walking into Marshall's now, and usually I find better things there, so hopefully there'll be something there, but to be honest, I'm pretty satisfied with my makeup collection, so unless there's something that's like really good there, then I usually won't get it. Okay. Alright, I actually ended up getting something at Marshall's. It was that like Real Techniques set. I'll show you it when I get home, but you saw it when I was doing that little weird thing in the mirror. Ooh. Like I was saying, we are eating now. We're at Chick-fil-A, aka probably the best place to eat. He's staring at me. Yeah, it's super good. Stop making fun of me. The 8-count nuggets with lemonade. You have to put honey on your chicken nuggets and some on your fries too. It's the best thing ever. I would try it. You better try it next time you go to Chick-fil-A with fries. You can really see my freckles. Oh my goodness. Yes. Ugh. Okay. We're at CVS now because I need to get a new one of these because the other one has acetone on it. And I'm also gonna look the makeup because they have like other brands than like Walmart and Target does. Look at all this LA Girl stuff they have. There's so much. What? Of course they're sold out of the lighter shade. Also have Wonder Brown. I've heard of this. This brand, I don't really know much about this brand, but it seems cool. Burt's Bees makeup. There's also a ton of Wet n Wild here. This is another brand that I've never really heard of. It says it's by Kiss, and I know there's like Kiss lashes, but I really want to get a butter bronzer, and I've wanted to for so long, but oh yeah, and here's my favorite concealer, but mine's like ran out, so that kind of sucks, but I'm still trying to use like the concealers I have. But another thing is have you guys ever noticed that the Wet n Wild liquid cat suits, they look like the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks? Isn't that like kind of crazy price difference? But practically the same packaging. Alright, we'll see how long this lasts.
Right now, kids fading.
Nope.
Where are you kind of taking us, man? Where's the journey going this hour?
Okay, never mind about that. People just like tape their cameras to the dashboard. Do a little car vlog. Anyways, we're gonna give you a little CVS haul. Okay. Laughing at me? First of all, we succeeded. We got what we came for. There are these little like this thing. We got more of this tape stuff. Some sunscreen because we're going to the pool today. Another SPF 30. Okay, then we got these. I don't like this. There. Okay, then we got these Haribo twin snakes. These are like the best candies ever. Like if you like Haribo or gummy bears or gummy candy in general, these are very good. It's like they're two snakes. One is sweet and one is sour. It's amazing. So we got not one, but 2 packages of those because it was 2 for $4. And then we also got the Star Mix, which is like just different types of gummies. So we got 2 of those also. And that's it for the CVS haul. Then the thing from Marshall's that I was talking about is this thing. There's 4 different sponges. They're supposed to be for like color correcting, but then there's 4 different brushes also. But it was only $6. It was on clearance, and so that means each of these things are less than $1 because there's 8. So yeah, it's just like cool. I don't know, Real Technique sponges. Oh my gosh. Real Technique sponges are good anyways, and that's like the sponge that I have also. And they're just mini ones with 4 of these brushes. Okay. Alright, we're back at my house. I don't really think I need to just say that, it's pretty obvious. But we got a new thingy, but we got one that was the one that I had before, but then we also got this. It came with this shorter one too. So we put the shorter one on, which is better because I literally only need it to be holding my fingernail because my finger didn't actually break. Yeah, it's terrible. By the way, I was eating one of those like twin snakes that we got. They're so good. We're gonna be going to the pool here pretty soon. I won't really be able to swim that well because of this. So, and then tomorrow we're going to the lake too. So I don't know if I'll vlog. Actually, I might vlog. You never know. But anyways, yeah, I decided to update you guys. Alright, we're going to the pool now, but sadly, my sunglasses broke, so that's gonna be annoying because it's gonna be really sunny outside, but made some fruit water. Okay, we are currently at the pool. I can't really get in. I mean, I could if I wanted to, but I just have to keep my hand out of the water, so I can't really swim that great, but that's kind of annoying. Skylar has his friend over, then he has a sister that's here too. Yeah, it's hot out though. Well, hey guys, okay, I definitely forgot to vlog the rest of the night, but pretty much I'll just tell you what we did. We had my brother's friends family over, and we had a dinner, and it was super duper fun because they have 4 kids and they're all super cute, so that was really fun, and we like grilled out and stuff like that. So yeah, also I plucked my eyebrows and made them nice. Oh yeah, didn't show you this, by the way. This isn't like blood. It's kind of partially blood, but not all the way. But it's mostly just like the medicine that's seeping through. But I was making sweet potatoes and there was this like thing that you put the sweet potato on and you like try to cut it, but it was a kind of a different thing. I don't know, it's really hard to explain, but it had like pointy parts, so it like tore my skin. It was really lovely. It didn't hurt, but it was just like scary because I do not do blood, but it didn't really bleed that much, so that was good. But it looks way scarier than it is. Like, it's really not bad. And also we only had like big band-aids, so that's why it looks like this, but it definitely looks like blood in this, but it's really like not. Anyways, I might just cut that part of the video out, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you want more vlogs, make sure to let me know. I'm kind of bad at them, but you guys seem to like them every time I do them. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. If this goes up before the giveaway ends, which it may not, probably will, then make sure to enter the giveaway. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.